Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. You must be wondering why there's a can of Sprite in a box. Well, actually, this is a 40-piece puzzle featuring the can of Sprite. You'll see what I mean when I open this up. Alright, as you can see, it looks like a can of Sprite, but if you look carefully, they're all puzzle pieces surrounding it. So let me take this apart by pushing this red stick here on the bottom of the can. Only one of the pieces came out. Should have been the whole bunch. Oh, I see now. I'll have to manually take these apart by hand. Okay, everything's all taken apart. The interior of each piece is all blue, so it's going to confuse me when I try to match, because look at this piece right here. It's blue on the outside and blue on the inside. So just gotta make sure that all the outside pieces are shown. So look at the can of Sprite now. It looks like it's a can of chocolate milk or something. And no, as of course with a can puzzle, there's nothing in it, so you can't drink it. Okay, let's see how well I do with this can of Sprite puzzle. And done. And there it is. Feels like I want to do this now. Alright, so the puzzle is actually very easy. It only took me about a half hour. As you would have saw, I started from using the letters and the graphics first, and worked my way over to the right. When I got like halfway around here, it got a little tricky, but then I saw the Coca-Cola Company phrase right there, and I matched those up, and then from there, it wasn't actually all that hard. So there you go. That is the 40-piece Sprite can puzzle. And that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care.